Alright, hi all. So the Nissan 370Z title, rebuilt title, is ready for pickup, and it's been almost 3 weeks now, and I'm heading there to the office to pick it up, and I'm on my way right now. So I got the Bluetooth, that plugged it in, and the cigarette spot, and you can play Bluetooth and stuff like that. So I'm not traveling with my headset today for this time, so I can play whatever I want to listen to this time. So I'm good. I'm here. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna change the fender signal lights, and I'm gonna replace it with these. Let me take this plastic off. They're gonna look amazing. They the letter Z lights up, and it's beautiful. I bought both of them, but for both sides for about like $46, and I got the bumper. This is beautiful, and I got the bumper badge, the emblem as well. It's gonna look beautiful. All right, let's take care of the sides over here first. Got my pry tool, and I put the tape around it so I don't damage the paint on the fender. And it's so easy. It seems like someone tried to change this and damaged it, but I'll take care of that later. But let's try. All right, take it off like this, and plug it. And this is the old one. Messed up. Yeah, this is the new one. Look at this. This is beautiful. Love it. Put it back in. Look at it. Right, I'm gonna do the passenger side now as well. Same procedure. All right, let me show you how to take it off. Actually, for the people who doesn't know, it's not just to put the pry tool over here or over here and push it. No, there's a clips on the side. There's one on this side and one on this side. So you come over here. You see, you push the lock in, and it's gonna come out like just like that. And you come to the other side and do the same thing. Oh, this one's not connected. Okay, so you see this? You put the pry tool, this one, you push it in and pull out. That's how you take it out. See these locks? Right there. The problem is I don't know where's the cable for this side. Let me look for it real quick. All right, got the cable out. Oh, this is the difference between, this is the original one, this is the aftermarket, and I think it's a good upgrade for $46 for both sides, and I think it's worth it. All right, let's plug this in. It's plugged in. Let me see if it's gonna work. Look at this. Look at this. Put it back in. The clip. Looks good. All right. Both sides in now. All right, now let's get to this one right here. All right, this is the badge. Let's take this off. Here we go. Looks good. And this is just look good, I guess. It's beautiful. Wait, let me close the hood real quick. Yeah, man, it looks good. This is beautiful.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me